Namaskar. I am Sri Simanchal Padi, researcher and writer of the books New System of Scientific Astroanalysis and Padi's Method of Map Prediction. Today is about 10th B presentation, which is in continuation to 10th A presentation regarding erection of a map or horoscope to a referred date and time as per life center point concept. Dear friends, last time we have taken the example of the event Militant attack at Pulwama near Jammu on 14 February 2019 at about 2:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So, accordingly, we have given the positions referred to Earth rotation and revolution, direct sun point in the zodiac, ascendant, midheaven point, and mass moon point, which is subplanet to Earth and revolving around the Earth. Friends, we had already told you to derive the life-centric positions of the planets. We have given a geometrical method to find out the planet position, transit planet position of the referred date and time, where because the date is forward to referred map date, heliocentric map date 2nd January 1988, we found the forward gap period is 31 years, 1 month and 21 days. Accordingly, we have derived the planetary positions, transit planetary positions of the referred date and time from the geometrical map, and we placed that planetary positions in this life-centric map. Friends, if we go in Excel, MS Excel, it took 1 minute or 2 minutes time to calculate the planetary motions occurred during the gap period. You can contact us for that Excel sheet where you can derive any referred planet positions of prior to 2000, January to 2nd January 1988, and after 2nd January 1988 too. We have given the geocentric planetary positions of that referred date and time as per the olden concept, geocenter, and we have given the total map horoscope referred to that date and time, life center map. Friends, when you are analyzing the facts, because during the sunrise of the referred date and time, the planets Jupiter, Venus, and nearby Saturn 42 degrees is near to the 45-90 degrees division, section, and Uranus positive planet was connected with the Mars in the 0 to 90 degrees. Here ascendant moon is found out in 90 to 135 degrees. So, now for analysis, please remember our sixth presentation where we have given some details, author's observations regarding positive, negative attitude of the planets towards the Earth's nature. Though it is Jupiter is a positive one, obstructed by Venus and connect with 42 degree of Saturn, near which is to be covered within transit of 3 to 4 days or 5 days, where Sun, Saturn, Venus, Jupiter will be found in the same house. When the event was occurred 14th February 2019, at about 2:30 p.m. at Pulwama, the 70 degree east 53 minutes was found in the sunrise. So that day, a negative situation not only India but nearby countries too. On that day, Mars is the negative planet, Uranus is the positive planet, near to each other, which is away from the Sun and found in the house of 45 to 90 degrees. So, during the event occurred, it is the planet positions two negative planets, including one positive planet and second one the positive planet which is a higher distance from the Earth, are taken a confusing situation and where Moon is a connecting planet found in the southern side or the direct side, and ascendant was also found. There we found that midheaven point is connected with Neptune and Mercury is a combust planet. Though it is a positive, on that day it is a combust. So, midheaven point 32.75 degree was with Neptune, and ascendant and Moon are in sight of Venus, Saturn and Jupiter. Positive planet Mars is obstructed by the Uranus. Uranus is obstructed by the Mars, negative planet. So, it shows a negative result to longitudes of 45 to 90 degree, also to the opposite side of the global longitude. So, when we move west to eastward to change our ascendant, position, similarly mid-heaven positions too. This event is occurred on 14th February 2019 at about 2:30 p.m. Maybe it is a preparation time. And mid-heaven point is with Neptune. So, one thing here it is important. Till Sun apparent journey passes west to eastward, so on 26th February, we will discuss in part C, India attacked Pakistan by a jet planes. We will also analyze in part 3 or 10C, because where you have to find out how the moon acts as a connected planet with these planetary combinations. So, for a better analysis, will come in 10C regarding the 26th jet plane attack by India on POK. Friends, please come again, because it is a very difficult to understand unless you practice and do good observation. What is the difference between the geocentric map and life-centric map of the same event? Geocentric map of olden concept and life-centric map of new concept here given. We found Venus, Saturn, Pluto in Sagittarius, Jupiter in Scorpio, where Moon is the direct side of Jupiter and ascendant is the direct side of these negative planets. Though Mars and Uranus block in Aries and mid-heaven point found in Pisces. So all these distributions we are unable to analysis and predict regarding to happen event through this distribution of planets through olden concept, 12 divisions of zodiac, 30 degrees each. But in this method, we got cleared some of our confusions that Venus, Saturn, Jupiter on the direct side of ascendant and moon, Uranus, Mars, positive planet obstructed by a negative planet, and mid-heaven point is with Neptune, where planet moves westward, make an entry to this point, got affected. So, from when you talk about the nature, will come other examples regarding cyclone, etc. How 10th planet is very important for predicting an horoscope, predicting an event, may be connected with us, may be connected with nature. So, it is this event is also confirmed that 10th Lagna is more important of a, you say it is a birth chart where MSP was affected by Neptune, a negative planet. Mercury is converged towards S position where there is no positive result. So, Lagna facing to the planetary combinations and mid-heaven point is more important. So, if you will ask me, because 21 degree Neptune is present on the date 14 February 2009 and Sun found about 12 degree on 26th February 2009. So, Sun, because it is a slow moving planet, Sun moves to about 21 degree or 25 degree like that. The effect to that area of global area would be there, because friends, we will discuss intensely regarding the last day jet attack by Indian soldiers to destroy the POK centers, where we will get the interesting result how the moon is connecting with the negative planets for the same event. This side, also this side. Thank you very much. Because it is very difficult. It is a new concept. Explanation is also difficult. Your understanding is also difficult. Please go thoroughly to the event and planet positions where you will find some beautifully directions regarding the prediction. Thank you very much. We will come in coming presentation 10C with the event 26th February 2019 regarding the jet attack by Indian soldiers. Thank you very much. Namaskar.